Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to be putting on a Corsa catch can on the 2018 Mustang. Um, it is an NA car, but they're shown to be benefits in not sucking oil in the intake manifold. Not sure which way I'm going with the power adder with this car, but the one I picked is one that's kind of out of the way. So no matter what I pick to do, it will be off to the side and not conflicting, using up a spot that something else needs to be. So this is the kit right here. Comes with a bracket that goes on one of the shock towers. Two connectors for your stock connections, and then barbed fittings to go into the top of this. And what I like about this is it isn't just like a can with nothing in it. There's an actual separator plate. There's a screen in there, so we're not getting any oil. I just unscrewed that just so you could see it to the manifold. I mean, this will get all the vapors and oil vapor and whatnot. So first you want to mount the bracket. There is a original bolt. That's original bolt there that you're going to reuse. You just take it out, put this bracket on, and put the bolt back in. And then I'm going to take the top bolts out of here so that I can mount this up to this, and then it's just the hoses. So it's probably best to leave it a little loose because the screws are very small and hard to work with. So it's best to like drop them in them slots first, and then you can get it started, because you really don't want to drop them. That would just suck. So you give yourself a little bit of room before you can start it up. And now I'm going to tighten them just snug enough so that it can still move a little bit. And that way you can set the final position for however you need your hoses to be. So right now they're almost all the way tight. Just loose enough to rock around a little bit. So this is the part we're replacing. So you got these quick connects here. I'm just going to pull that. I already popped it loose before. And just get that out of the way, and then you're going to run your short hose to here and your long hose to there, and that's going to be it. Now, one thing they don't give you, which I think they should, is some hose clamps, because I have some myself. Put one of these constant tension style on there, but they're a little loose on the hose. So anyway, that snaps in there. And then we just got to put the short one on. And so for the short piece, just gonna get it on there. I'm putting clamps on it because it needs it. And that's it. I just got to tighten up that hose clamp, but that's all there is to it. So here it is in place. I'll probably change out those clamps to a different style, but most, you really won't see them. You'll probably see this one, but I don't think you'll see that one. So there's the final result. So a lot of the other ones are like right up here, and if you get a turbo or supercharger or whatever, a lot of it's taking up this space here and it might not work. So this gives me an option, because I don't know which way I'm going yet, but to have it off to the side here. But you really can't see it unless you're over here. But I'm happy with that setup, and that's all we got for that. So we got more stuff coming this week. So I'm off work this week, so I get some more time to get to this stuff. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we will catch you on the next one.